Here we have been given that a 2-point charge 4q and minus q are fixed on the axis at x equals to minus d by 2 and x equals to d by 2 respectively. If a third point charge q is taken from the origin to x equals to d along the semicircle as shown in the figure, then energy of charge will. So energy of charge we have to see whether it is increasing or decreasing by the given amount. So we can do one thing here. Let us consider this as a axis. So this is our one axis here, and this is our another axis, and this is the location of 4q charge. This is location of minus q charge. So from origin to we are going to point this one like this way on a semicircular track it has been shown. Now here if we try to calculate the potential energy of a charge at point A, this position, then potential at A, if I write, then this is 4kq by the separation between 4q and H is given d by 2. So d by 2 plus potential due to negative over here will be k minus q into d by 2, and potential at B, if I write, then potential at B due to 4q will be, so this is d and plus d by 2, that is 3d by 2. So 4kq divided by 3d by 2 plus potential due to negative over here will be written as plus k of minus q into d by 2. So if we simplify it, we are going to get 8kq by d here, and this is minus 2kq by d. That will give you minus plus 6kq by d at this position. And here you can see this is 8kq by 3d minus 2kq by d. So this will become here it will be 3d and then 8kq minus 2k, 3 to the 6kq. So this will become 2kq by 3d. So you can see that at A and at B, the potential at B is greater, VB is greater than VB is lesser than VA. And you say they're asking the energy of the charge. So energy of the charge, if I calculate, so basically U at B will be Q times VB, and U at A is basically Q times VA. So you can say that at A energy of the charge is greater as compared to B. So when it is going from A to B, the energy is decreasing. And by how much amount energy is decreasing here? So delta U will be UA minus UB. By this much amount energy is decreased. So Q, and I will write VA minus VB here. So VA is basically 6kq by d minus 2kq by 3d. And if we further simplify it, we are going to get here q, and this will be 3d here, and so this is 18 kq minus 2k cube. So that is 16k cube by 3d. So this is 16k cube upon 3d. Now if I substitute the value of k here, 16 by 4 pi epsilon naught cube by 3d. So this is basically 4 cube by 3 pi epsilon naught d. By this much amount, energy of the charge is decreased, and definitely q will also multiply, it will become kq square. So 4 q square upon 3 pi epsilon naught t. So the energy is decreased by this value. So the correct option is option third here.